Clearly well.
You wake up, you grab your phone, 30 minutes go by and suddenly you're late, exhausted, and already behind. Sound familiar? Listen, we've all been there, hitting snooze 5 times, scrolling through social media before our feet even hit the floor, and wondering why we feel so freaking drained before the day even starts. What if I told you that the first 10 minutes of your morning could either set you up for success or sabotage your entire day? Today I'm breaking down a 10-minute morning routine used by high achievers, designed to boost energy, increase focus, and make you unstoppable. But stick around till the end, because I'll reveal one tiny habit that can increase your productivity by 40%, and most people completely ignore it. Let's dive in. Let's get one thing straight. Hitting snooze is self-sabotage. Every time you do it, you're starting your day with indecision and fatigue. It's like saying, I'd rather stay stuck in this half-awake, half-asleep limbo than actually get up and own my life. Does that sound like a winner's mindset? Heck no. The fix? The second your alarm goes off, throw the covers back and jump out of bed. And I mean literally jump. Even if it's just stretching, a few jumping jacks, or shaking off the grogginess. Your brain wakes up faster when your body moves, or hey, you could always fall back asleep and live the dream. Literally. But seriously, research shows that getting sunlight and movement within 2 minutes of waking up resets your circadian rhythm, making you feel more alert and focused. Remember, you're not just waking up your body, you're waking up your potential. Now, I know what you're thinking, but coffee is my morning savior. And look, I get it, I love my coffee too. But here's the problem, your body is massively dehydrated after 7 or more hours of sleep. And dehydration equals low energy, brain fog, and mood swings. It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty tank. Instead, before you even think about that caffeine fix, start with a tall glass of water, a pinch of sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon. Why? Because water rehydrates your cells, salt replenishes lost minerals, and lemon jumpstarts digestion and detoxification. It's like giving your body a VIP backstage pass to feeling amazing. And what happens when you drink coffee first? It actually makes you more tired in the long run because it dehydrates you even further. I'll explain why in a moment. Chapter 3. Want a natural caffeine boost without the jitters and the inevitable afternoon crash? Try cold water exposure. I'm not talking about a full-on ice bath here, unless you're into that sort of thing. Just splash your face with ice-cold water for 30 seconds or end your shower with 10 seconds of cold water. This does 2 things. First, it triggers adrenaline, which wakes you up instantly. Second, it increases dopamine, which improves motivation and focus. Plus, it's a great way to test if you're actually alive in the morning. And about that coffee, drink it after 90 minutes of waking up. That way you maximize your natural energy without a midday crash. Trust me, your body will thank you. Chapter 4. Here's where most people really mess up their mornings. They start their day in reactive mode, scrolling social media, reading emails, stressing about the day ahead. It's like they're letting the world dictate their emotions before they even have a chance to think for themselves. But you know what the world's top performers do? They take control of their mental state before stepping into the world. And you can too. Here's how. Take 5 deep, intentional breaths. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 8. This simple trick calms your nervous system, boosts mental clarity, and releases stress instantly. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind and body so you can start the day feeling centered and in control. And if you combine this with the next habit, you'll have the ultimate productivity combo. Chapter 5. This is where most people fail. They start their day without direction, like a ship sailing without a rudder. They're busy, but they're not necessarily productive. But you, my friend, you're different. You're going to take control of your day before it takes control of you. Here's how. Grab a notebook and take 3 minutes to write down 3 things. One key goal for the day. What's the one thing you want to accomplish? One thing you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what you already have. One thing you'll do for yourself. This could be as simple as taking a walk, reading a book, or just having a quiet cup of tea. This simple exercise trains your brain to focus on what matters and keeps you in a productive, success-driven mindset. Or you could let TikTok decide how your day goes. Your call. And there you have it, a 10-minute morning routine designed to make you sharper, more energized, and more productive. But here's the real secret. It's not about just one good morning, it's about consistency. You wouldn't go to the gym once and expect to have a 6-pack, would you? Now, if you really want to level up your life, you need to understand the power of compounding. Because just like money, your daily habits compound over time, either making you rich in health, wealth, and success, or keeping you stuck where you are. So before you go, watch this next video on the power of compounding and discover how tiny daily habits can create massive long-term success. Click it now. Your future self will thank you.